So far, you've covered the raw materials of your product, your wages, your staff wages, and your overhead. So we're done. Yes? No. What about profit? Is there any margin in that sum that you've just done that includes profit? No? How much profit should you be making? How much profit is it reasonable to make? How much can you mark your products up for profit in your particular industry? This very often is the hardest part for any entrepreneur to tackle, especially because this part of the costing and pricing talks directly to self-worth. Many entrepreneurs are happy just to cover their bills and get to the end of the month. But if you don't have profits, how will you grow your business? If there is no profit in your business, how will you survive when fortunes turn? If there's no profit in your business, how do you come up with new things? How do you come up with new products for your customers that they'll enjoy? Product development costs money. So if there is no profit in your business, what's the point? Wow, that was a tough one, wasn't it? Profit. Oh, did you manage to even put a number in there on your costing and pricing? The first time I did this exercise, I collapsed at that point and gave it all up. And over the years, I have slowly learned how to work in those profit margins so that I'm comfortable with them and so that my customers are too. Because it's a delicate balance between what the market can sustain and what it will pay, and what you need to make. So you can't just keep adding profit and hope for the best, because at some point people stop buying. So it's kind of a balancing act, and you have to kind of test the market a little bit there and back and find your own personal happy spot for your own personal industry.